Hello everyone, today we're going to harvest this jujube. We don't have a lot because
leftover from the thief. Some is still it.
some things has been stolen out. Jujube. We don't know what it is.
This is with the bags. They can eat right here and go through it there.
We have like a lot up there, but look at that, all gone.
So all
Only
we have
what's left is
inside the bag.
in the bag.
So we're gonna be harvesting today. We can unpack it. That's all we have. Lucky some put some bag for protection. Otherwise we have nothing to harvest today.
We didn't put a bag on the one at the top because we thought they were
Too high.
safe. But we were wrong about that. ตัวยังบุกมากินได้ตัวหนูและตัวอีก
It's a rat.
นะนั่นน่ะตัวหนู
Rat, you can't eat it.
What is seem
It's a GA86 Jujube. Okay, we're gonna this one all gone. Only one left.
Where did they get that? Like through the bag or what?
You can see this one, they go through the bag right here, the hole. So we eat through the hole here. So we have a creature who live over here, back here. They just try to...
กายนี่ไม่ได้กินนิดหน่อย Last year we didn't eat a single fruit because we didn't put any bag on. We didn't know.
Okay, we can harvest some of it now. Okay. We can harvest some, put the basket here. We can harvest it, otherwise we don't. Any more? Oh, goodness.
I think these are ready. It's not ready yet.
It's ready now.
Some of them are not ready. Look at this. But we're gonna pick it anyway. Otherwise, we're gonna be eat it.